In my crochet tutorials, at the end of the project, I usually just say, and then I fasten off, but I don't really show how I do it. So I thought I'll show it really quickly in today's video. I just finished this lacy ripple scarf. I made the last stitch, and now I make 2 more chains. 1, 2. I pulled the last chain a bit higher, and I cut the yarn tail about 5-6 inches. Now I pull the yarn through, and I pull these 2 chains really tightly, like this. So this creates a little knot over here. Next, I take a smaller size hook, and I use a smaller size hook to hide the yarn tail, because if I use the same hook that I crocheted with, my stitches will stretch and get out of shape, and I don't want that.